Hi guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. I'm back to share the new Coco and Reno dies that I received, and they came again in this really cute green pouch with the ruffled edges. So cute. You know, I love their packaging and all the cute little bags that they send. And this set is called Happy Holidays. Really cute, and it comes with a lot of little dies again, so you get a lot of dies in each of the little sets that they send. So this one is a snowflake, and there is a set of 3 cute little snowflakes. I like the size on these and the design. It's just different than, you know, the regular snowflake dies that I have. So these are the 3 snowflakes that it comes with. And then it comes with some border or strip dies. This one here has little reindeer and hearts right there. And this one has little trees. And this one's super cute. The little trees, you can save them and use them in your shaker projects. They're a good little size for shakers, so super cute. So this one is a little bit bigger. It measures 4.5. And then this one is a little bit smaller. This one measures just about 4 inches on that one. And then it comes with 2 little trees, super cute. There's this one and this one here. Really cute. And then this one says Happy Holidays, a little sentiment. And this one is like a little strip of snowflakes or border that you can cut out. This one says joy, and the O is a little ornament. Super cute, and I like how it has like a little string hanging from the ornament. And then 2 little snowflakes that you can use to accent your projects. So those are the dies in the Happy Holidays set. And I did cut some out just to share what they look like, and I didn't use them all on the project. So there's this tree here, so cute, and it cuts out this little area there. Super cute. There's that one. And then the other tree is this one here, and this one's really fun to play with. I popped up some of these little branches that it cuts through, and if you just kind of pop them up and play with them, fluff them up, it creates this like little dimensional effect from the branches. So I thought that was cute and fun to do on that one. And then here's the snowflakes all cut out, the 3 larger ones, and then some of the little ones. So there's the snowflakes, and then here's the little ones cut out. So I hope I'm sharing them okay and not out of frame on everything. So there's those, and then this is that strip of little snowflakes. Kind of looks like flowers too, a little bit. So I think you can use this on a spring project too, or something like that. So super cute. There's that. And then here is the one with the little reindeers. Little reindeer and little hearts cut out. So there's those. And then I did create 3 little pockets that I decorated up to have ready to go for Christmas, and I use this as the base. It's a Sizzix Big Die, and it is number 659768, and I picked it up at Hobby Lobby a while ago. I use this quite a bit. I love this, and it's called Pocket with Scallop Edge. So there's that. And then these are my little pockets that I decorated up. I think they turned out super cute and just fun. Love this paper collection. It's the Fa La La paper from Crate Paper. It's not new, but super cute. I just love the colors on it. So I decorated this one up. I just used some little silver string and just made it like a little messy at the bottom there to give it texture, and added an accordion folded piece of vellum and the sentiment on top that says Happy Holidays, and then just added 3 little snowflakes and bling to the center there. So simple layering, but I think they're really cute. And then this one here just has a layer of vellum there and some more of the little silver string. And then I did I played around with the little branches and popped them up to give it dimension. Love how that looks. And this one, since it's more of a solid piece, I did cut it out on foam and popped it up a little on foam, and I left the little foam in the hearts just in there. So the hearts are white, but you can definitely pop them out. And then a little bling up at the top. I was going to put a star, but I like that little bling piece. So here's this one here, and I might still add a sentiment or something to that one. And then this one, I just added some little sequins up at the top there, some more of that little silver string. I cut the strip with the trees in it and just backed that on some green pattern paper from the collection. And then I decided to add a little star to this one just because it came out with like more little stars than the rest of the trees, just because of the way the pattern paper ended up. And I added a little silver star to that one. And then here's the little joy piece cut out, and super cute. Looks like it's just kind of hanging from the strip there. So there's my 3 little decorated pockets, and I hope you enjoyed taking a look. I'll link Coco and Reno's information in the description box so you can check them out if you like. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed taking a look. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.